how to reset the current picture mode settings in your Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, you'll have to do in your remote, okay, press the menu button. In menu button, go to settings. In settings, go to picture and go to picture mode settings. In picture mode settings, okay, scroll down and find the reset current mode. So if you click this or go to this reset current mode, restore all the picture settings in the current picture mode to the factory default values. And okay, you'll have to do is go to reset current mode and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the reset current mode. The current picture settings will revert back to the factory default settings. Okay, you can select the OK button to continue or reset the current mode. And that's it.